welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today's video. You guys are amazing, and as you know, I really truly do appreciate every single one of you that chooses to click onto my video. Thank you so much. Today is really a super duper exciting video. I have a discount code to share with you guys, and I will begin with saying that I am so grateful and so thankful to Duvolle for reaching out to me and kindly gifting me this amazing product that I'm going to show you next. So the next segment of this video will be in partnership with Duvolle. So without further ado, let's get into today's video, ladies. But before I do, welcome if you are brand new. My name is Simran. Well, it's Simran Serena, but I'm going with Simran. But anyways, let's get into today's video. Welcome if you are brand new. Now, this little baby was kindly gifted to me, and I was shocked that Skincare Side had actually watched one of my videos, and I was super shocked, but I was super grateful and thankful that they had considered myself to review this item for you guys. But obviously, I've had a little bit of a traumatic week, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So officially I have actually been vaccinated with the AstraZeneca COVID vaccine, and also my mom has as well. So obviously my mom is slightly older than myself, so I have been fine. My COVID AstraZeneca vaccine done because I am the sole carer of my mother, so I have had the vaccine done. For me, I felt okay. I'm glad I've had the vaccine done. The process was super duper easy, but my arm did ache. But with my mom, extremely careful. She also suffers from high blood pressure occasionally. The vaccine also before myself, but she was fine. The first few days she was fine. She had a fever the next day. By the third day she was back to normal. But gone this week on Monday, she actually was rushed to the hospital, where she is now having to take thinning blood tablets to help her thin out her blood. Now, I am not sure if it's related to the vaccine. I know that there is a side effect as far as blood clots are concerned, but obviously we are hoping for the best. It's fine, to be fair, she's fine, but obviously I didn't really get a chance to review this baby for you guys yet. But not to worry, because I will review this for you guys in the coming weeks. So for today, because I wanted to get the discount code to you guys now, because you know I always like sharing is caring, and I figured it's time to kind of give you guys a code as soon as I can. So I figured I'd film today's video, show you what the actual Radiance System Care Skin System provides and its benefits, and then what I will do is I will actually do an official review where I will show you clippets of me using it and how I'm going to use it and what it actually, and if I see any changes on my skin. I have used it once already, which the clip I will insert at the end of the video, so you guys can see how my skin looked at the beginning and how it looked at the end of the usage. I will apologize, we are going to get up close and personal in my skin, but we're friends, so it's fine. I'm okay with it if you guys are. So you guys will get to see me barefaced in the bathroom and scrubbing my face with the Radiance Spin Care System. So in the system itself, you have this set and it here, which is actually battery operated. So you will have to insert batteries. I have batteries in there now. Uh-oh, dropped the batteries. And you will need AA size batteries, like so. Which is better, because you don't really want to spend time. You know, sometimes you have to find a plug in the bathroom and then the wire's not long enough, and it's just, sometimes you forget to charge things. So I think I like the idea of the fact that there is battery operated. You don't have to charge. You also do get 4 separate brushes. So let's start per brush. So first you get a large body cleansing brush, and anyone who's into fake tan or exfoliant or just wants soft skin, all you do, it's really easy to use as well, guys. So literally you just attach, you press, and it swirls. How cool! And then off. So this is your large body cleansing brush. It's fantastic for like people who like to use fake tan users, anybody that wants their skin to feel soft, people who suffer with ingrowing hair, you know, that's real. People who suffer with ingrowing hair, it's a really good tool for them as well, because this helps to kind of take off the dead skin cells and gives you the soft skin, smooth skin. But like I said, if you suffer with dead ingrowing hair, this will help definitely. The second attachment that you do get, you have your so you have your facial exfoliating brush and you have your facial cleansing brush. You should be able to tell by the texture of each attachment which one is exfoliating, which one is cleansing. The exfoliating will be a little bit more sterner than the cleansing brush itself. And you also do receive a pumice stone as well. This is great for, like, you know, if you want to use it on your feet, like, you know, dead skin cells, like your elbows, maybe like your feet if you're doing a pedicure. So I mean, I just think it's amazing. You get 4 different attachments plus the base unit as well, and there's no cord, so you don't have to waste time. You don't have to think, I've got to charge this, make sure I charge it, otherwise if I don't charge it I cannot use it. It's all there for you guys. So now the fun part, right? So I have actually noted some information for you guys as well, that I feel like will kind of help you understand a little bit more in depth than what I've just shown you guys. So basically, you have the spinning massage motion of the brush offers superior cleansing, and it helps to remove, like, you know, dirt and oil and makeup much more effectively than just cleansing with soap and water alone. Like, you know, like when it comes to removing our makeup anyways, we have to use like double cleanse anyway. So this will actually help to clear the process, because ladies, you know, and I know, it's so important to remove every ounce of our makeup, because if makeup is still left on the skin, it is extremely aging for the skin. Like, I think I was reading this study like years and years ago when I worked in cosmetics, that leaving the makeup on your skin can actually age your skin up to 8 years. So it's serious. You know, when they say we've got to get the makeup off our skin, we've got to make sure we're getting makeup off our skin. Second point, it has 2 interchangeable facial brush heads, which I have shown you guys here. It also has a facial cleansing exfoliating brush that deeply cleanses, exfoliates, and may minimize the look of pores. So in my clip, we're going to look at that up close. Like when I take my makeup up for you guys, I will let you see it, and I'd like you to tell me, do you see a difference in my pores? Because obviously you will be watching, and I think the person that looks at you can normally tell more than the person actually doing it themselves. Does that make sense? With the gentle facial cleansing brushes, couldn't get my words out there, removes dead skin cell and clogs pores by eliminating deep-seated dirt to reveal radiant looking skin. And who's not looking for radiant looking skin, ladies, right? Or gentlemen, don't get me wrong, or gentlemen. The large body cleansing and exfoliating brush removes dead skin cells from knees, arms, elbows, great before self-tanning and back acne. The pumice stone is an effective tool for softening rough skin, example feet, elbows, etc. Also guys, there's a water resistant face brush designed for the use in the shower. So what more could you want? It's cordless. You can use it in the shower. You can use it to take off your makeup. You can use it before you use your fake tan. You can use it to exfoliate. It helps to give you that radiant looking skin that we're always looking for. So I just think it's a fantastic kit to have in the bathroom whenever you need it for different uses. So it's kind of not like 4 different machines for 4 different things. So here's the best part, guys. So going through everything, all the benefits and everything else, which, like I said, I'm gonna review for you guys within the next week or so. I'll probably review it for like 2 weeks, guys, because I want to give you the complete truth. But if it's something that you have been thinking about buying, then I would say, yeah, why not try it? Today, what I will do, like I said, I will insert my clip of my first use of the brush itself. So Duvolle has been super duper kind to us, and they have actually provided us a discount code. Now I'm actually going to show you the online site itself. So can you see it's Duvolle there? There's the Radiance brush set, but normally guys this retails for $95. on the site. Product description: reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Spin Care system. Deeply cleanse with your skin with the rotating movement to achieve cleaner, more vibrant skin over your whole body. Includes 4 interchangeable accessories, and also guys, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked, satisfaction guaranteed. And if you go on to read the reviews, I mean, there's not one single person that doesn't love, which is always a positive, especially if you were paying $95. I think you would definitely have a concern. You'd want to know if it works. But we are lucky. We have been fortunate enough, and I'm so grateful. Thank you, Duvolle, if you're watching. We've actually been provided with a code. I'm going to leave the discount code, which is Simran, my name, throughout this video in different parts. I will also link this website and my discount code in the link below. I have also linked it in my Instagram as well. So if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I will link my Instagram in the description box for you guys to me there. But the discount code is there as well. The discount code will be in the description box. Here next I will insert the clip of me actually using it, removing my makeup. Don't be afraid, I have nothing on my skin, but yeah, I hope you enjoy. So here I'm beginning with removing my first layer of makeup with a organic cotton pad, which is reusable, which is really good. I will link it below, with makeup remover as my first step. So as you can see, my second step is using my Estée Lauder Perfectly Clean Cleanser, applying it onto the skin, massaging it all over. I love this cleanser. You can use it as a mask. Now, next, I'm using the Duvolle cleansing brush on the skin and gently massaging all over the face. It feels really nice on the face. It's like a mini facial massage, which is always a good idea to get the circulation flowing. And now it's time to rinse. And as you can see, my skin already looks a lot more radiant. I'm shocked. It looks clean. My face obviously is a little bit red on the nose area, but that's okay because I used it around my nose. But in general, yeah, look pretty good, guys. I'm impressed. Are all the details linked below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment box. Tell me what you think as well. So yeah, that was my mini little video for you guys today, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions about anything else, please do not hesitate. I have a really exciting video coming up soon next week as well. Please do come and follow me on Instagram. Please do like, share, and comment on this video if you have enjoyed this video. And welcome to anybody that's recently joined my channel. Thank you so much for your support. For all the pre-existing subscribers, you guys are like amazing, just like a family. So thank you so much. And till next time, take care, and I look forward to seeing you soon next time. Bye.